think we're prepared. I've got toys, I've got 10 diapers just in case, wipes, a couple extra outfits because someone hasn't pooped yet. I think we'll be okay. The question mark will be whether she naps well today, so we'll see. She fell asleep in the car and she's still asleep, so today's gonna go well. Wow, got the best spot in the house, I think. Woo!
A lot of the colorful fish. Yeah, a lot of.
This is paradise. Oh my God. Okay, here we are. Finally made it out onto the kayak. Poor Ryan had to stay behind with Clara because she was not living her best life. They're there, over there. Okay, let's go.
Can you get inside? I take a photo for you.
Ah, okay. I'm not very athletic. I'll be the first one to admit it, but I'm pretty confident in my kayak maneuvering abilities, so I'm getting to show off for Natalie and she's impressed.
Vicky, we're going for the rock!
They keep telling us that these rock formations look like certain animals. I have yet to see that they do, but to each their own. It's like abstract art, I guess. I'm glad I didn't just run into the jellyfish by accident. I'm not sure if it's alive. I can't really tell.
Like if it's sunrise?
Well, yeah, I guess. Okay, go, go, go. Now heading back to the boat. I hope Ryan and Clara had as great of a time as we did. Back of the boat. How you doing, baby? How you doing? There's a few people getting treated for their jellyfish things. When I dove in, I was probably a couple centimeters away, so missed it by that much.
Nemo. Yeah, different than Nemo. Nemo Yeah, this is Nemo. Yeah. And Siang Cafe, there may be someone, the Nemo, same, like that.
Well, I'm gonna stay here and enjoy my Clara snuggles. I went out kayaking while he hung out with her, so now he goes snorkeling while I hang out with her. How was your first snorkel experience?
Can't wait till the next one.
Yay.
That was the absolute best.
Well, I'm really glad that Clara woke up from her nap. Natalie hung out with her while I got to join Ryan and go snorkeling. And the best snorkeling that I've ever seen. The reef was crazy and there were just fish everywhere. And we jumped off the side of the boat. Woo! Feels so good.
We've been spending our day in Angthong National Marine Park here in Thailand. We've done some kayaking. I took Claire out on the dinghy. We've done scuba diving. We're about to have some lunch.
Snorkeling.
Not scuba diving, snorkeling.
Scuba diving someday.
But it was really incredible. First time, and I can't wait till I do it again. Time to grab some lunch.
I'm so excited. I love diving. That was a little bit chaotic, but we've done it. Balance the camera and the baby in a backpack. Thank you, Natalie, for the assistance. And we're heading towards another island to hang out on the beach. You'll hang out on the beach, and then Nat and I are gonna do the hike. Solid ground.
Come back another side and go down to the beach here.
Well, Ryan's left me with the camera. Holy, steps are steep. But we're doing this hike. Ryan's hanging out with Claire on the beach, just so that she doesn't get overheated. But into the jungle we go. Definitely more like a ladder than stairs. If this isn't a workout, I don't know what is.
I had my 2 sprays of puffer, so we should be okay. This is what happens when you have very active friends and you have asthma.
Kudos, Natalie. Wow. I do enough hiking to know you shouldn't take pictures of the viewpoint until you get to the top, but I think
We're cheating.
we appreciate the break.
It's staggered.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Get down nearly the lagoon, that side. If you don't want, go down same way. Down here? Yeah, we can go down here and then go out another way.
This is so beautiful up here. It's pretty steep on the way down though, so we'll just see it down there. This gives a bit of a better perspective. I'm not sure what lookout has been the prettiest so far. It just keeps getting better. Let's keep going. And back up. When I said back up, I mean back up, back down, and then back up, and then back down again.
How's the walk?
It was amazing. Look how sweaty I am. Let's go back to the boat.
Boat time. Margarita time.
Super safe. Better safe than sorry.
Yay, we come back. And here we have the fresh fruit for you and margarita. After that, I will go to Thailand. Welcome to the summer season.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can't think of that other way to end the day than ice cream, watching the sunset. We'll see you next time. I cannot tell if it's recording. I think it is.
See that sweat? That's for this video.